And why is this a coffee on the bag? wait. This one is Queenie Junior. This one is King or Queenie Junior. This is King or Queenie Junior Junior. This is King or Junior. This is Queenie Junior. No.
Kapitan.
Na. Huh? Oh my God, my gulas broke. Oh no. Congratulations of having live video. Congratulations of having a baby. Coco Melon. Wait. My favorite is the coconut. My favorite is this. It is dirty.
Ito na, Benz. Para hatras sa'yo. Hindi ba mo?
I'm drinking it. Okay, I'm gonna drink it too. Yeah, dirty. I'm not joking. See?
Bye, guys. Marami yung mga yun. Di ba kinumula ko sa display yan?
Hi guys, for today's video, kasama ko. So hi guys, for today's video, I'm here with my cousin. I actually speak English in my video, sometimes Tagalog. This is my Englishera cousin. I am Englishera, pangyera, Tagalogera. Me and my mom and my cousin are only three in the house because Apo Gloria had a birthday. So they're at their house na. Okay, let's drink boba and coconut. That's actually tea. That's actually
Babay na.
tea. It just got a few minutes pala. Wah. Come up. Stand up. Okay. Coconut.
Bye-bye.
So bye guys. Like and subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos like this one. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what's your favorite part. Bye.